Hello, it's Christian here. TDmotion is located in beautiful Hope Sound, Florida. We've been involved in the performance aftermarket business for 25 plus years, ranging from distribution, manufacturing. Our clients range from enthusiasts to do-it-yourselfers to professional installation shops. Our range of clients span from Australia to New Zealand to Africa, Canada, all over the world. Vehicles we specialize in, mostly the American genre, from Jeeps to trucks to Mustangs to Cobra kit cars. What we mostly specialize in is in installation kits, performance swaps, whether it might be for Coyotes, for LS, small block, Chevy and Ford packages, serpentine assemblies, dress-up packages. There's plenty of parts retailers out there that are selling individual parts. What we specialize in is more of the complete package. So these rest-of-mod projects require a lot of extra parts and planning. So when you come to TDmotion, we're going to source it all out. We partner with key suppliers to make your job easier. Another aspect of our business is international exports. So a lot of our clients internationally need help with documentation, sourcing a lot of parts from different locations. We put that all together, get all the documentation, make your job a lot easier and save you money. You can go visit our website, TDmotion.com, order online. You could drop us an email or a call, or visit our social media. A lot of daily stuff is updated there regularly. Hey, thanks for checking out TDmotion. We look forward to doing business. All right, so we talk about rest-of-mod projects. This is a Gen 3 Coyote engine, putting out 460 horsepower. It's actually going into an early Bronco. This one's going into a 71 Bronco, 4x4. Has all the pulleys on there, the power steering, the AC, the alternator. You can see the alternator switched to 180 degrees. That allows extra clearance into the chassis. We're going to include it with the control pack, the harness. It's going to be mated up to a 6R80 6-speed transmission. So this is going to be a great project.